Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Today. I am Nimishka Mehta and today we have a very special guest among us, Dr. Divya Chandran. She is an associate professor at Regional Center of Biotechnology with an experience of 14 years. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, how can synthetic biology enhance medical experience?
Okay, so what is synthetic biology first? Synthetic biology is using biological organisms such as bacteria to produce certain biochemical molecules that can be useful in areas of medicine, in areas such as food industry, and in different areas. So if you can mass produce a particular biomolecule of interest in a relatively inexpensive manner, then that can help further the medical field.
What are the biggest challenge in biotechnology today?
So we see that with the advent of genomics, there's a lot of big data that is being generated. And this data is available to everyone to process, to analyze, to interpret. But we need to make sense of this data to be able to then find particular meaning from this data that can be utilized for its application.
Ma'am, what advice would you like to give to the youth willing to enter in this field?
So first of all, I'd like to encourage more people to enter this field. I think with the COVID-19 pandemic, everybody is now aware of scientists and biotechnologists in particular, because collectively as a community, we all came together in order to identify or to develop a vaccine that could help treat this disease in record time. So I think, first of all, it's important to come into this field. And once you enter this field, it's important to ask the right questions.
How has your research impacted the society?
So I'm a plant biotechnologist by training, and I work on leguminous plants to develop disease-resistant crops. I think there's a statistic out there that by 2050, we're going to face problems with food security. So one of my goals is to improve food security by making plants that are more resistant to diseases. And I work on a fungal pathogen, which is known as powdery mildew. So I'm hoping to develop plants that will be more tolerant or more resistant to this disease so that we can take care of food security.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your precious time. I am Nimishka Mehta with cameraman Pratham Maheshwari, IMS Today.